up fam, Wyf CaityB, back in a video with yet another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just nations in general. So for today we're reacting to Ranuimarz and this track is called A New Beginning. So this is our first time reacting to Ranuimarz, so keen to check it out. I'm not too sure if he's been around for a long time, but from what I'm hearing it seems like he has.
His videos go back to a year.
Ooh, Peter Petro, one of the best in the game. Shout out to you, fam.
Directed, shot, and edited.
Damn, shout out to everyone behind the scenes. And if you're new to our channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or clicking subscribe at the bottom. And please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when we upload videos for you guys. But yeah, thank you to those that have requested, and let's get into the track. Mama B, hit that switch. Oh no, flick that switch.
Don't tell me what to do.
Oh,
Peter Petro.
feels like I'm watching a movie already.
Yeah, no, mate. What's going on here? Just want to have a talk to you about a liquor store made up the road.
Oh, what? Man's a lefty.
I don't want this to stop. I want to.
I feel like I'm in a cinema.
It's like a movie.
Hey, Ranui!
There's pigs right on it.
Yeah, check the song, bro. Sure, man. Hey, a new beginning, I'm back in the ceiling. Can't cope with the ceiling, I'm feeling inside. Lost many brothers, hold on to my mother, cause I know that I am sick.
Firstly, where is that?
Where the hell is that? I thought he was in Texas or something. My goodness. You know those American movies like The Mule?
Arizona.
Yeah, Arizona and stuff like that. Oh my.
Man, that beginning, you got our attention.
Yeah. But then I always get shook, like I always get gutted sometimes when a beat switches up and then it like turns into something that I wasn't expecting, and I'm like this beat I wasn't expecting.
Just one of those block of shops.
Yeah, those block of shops.
Yeah.
Lost many brothers, hold on to my mother.
Okay, ready?
Gilalo, you know?
Hey, a new beginning, I'm back in the ceiling. Can't cope with this feeling, I'm feeling inside. Lost many brothers, hold on to my mother, cause I know that I am just living to die. I'm hoping that one day that we could all find peace in this world, peace in my mind. Got me thinking of taking my life. If I do it, I'm paying the price. So I tell my children and I tell my people that we all gon' get a piece of this pie. I'm trusting nobody, tell me what's funny. My days ain't sunny, we live in the cold. Just like white tongue, you know the whitey. Coming with nothing, they taking your home. I'm signing a deal, I rip up the treaty. I'm here to heal my people, we broke. Modi, you broken, Modi, you homeless. Islanders lost, the system is hopeless. Drinking this coldies, that be the poison. Why do I feel like a disappointment? Hearing these voices, all of these noises, all in my head, they coming for me. But I cannot stop it, death is no problem, man. I know it's the way it'll be. My brothers and sisters, we bleed. My grandma, she pray on her knees. We go out and bullying each other, forget that we brothers, the system is pleased. My people, we work and we stress. We make it and then we forget who we really are. Ranuimarz sick, I live in the debt. You know what saddens me is all the casualties, family tragedies. No faith in humanity, we are the felonies. Control like gravity, you know the government is the real enemy. Who cannot see the difference? I really just want you to listen. You're one step away from living your life or living your life in a prison. So you gotta make the decision. There's no more competition. Don't worry about money, you know it ain't nothing when your heart inside is a bitches. We shout when we're looking for violence. indictment. You're watching your people protest, but you're still sitting in silence. Trying to make it home, mama call my phone, tell me that my brother dead. I grip on this middle, think I'm going mental. Hold on to my peoples that's near. Why are you scared? Who do you fear? Don't let the media play with your head. You know they worry to see a brother come up for nothing. Why people they fear? Your cup.
Bro, so true. Seems like almost like an activist, but
yeah, 100%.
like you need a voice, and he's that person.
Yeah.
Not afraid to speak out and not afraid to put himself out there.
I've never heard a song like this before.
Yeah.
Like everything he's saying is just like, wow.
Yeah, it's reality.
Like, you know,
It's
stuff with media and, you know, as you said, you know, activist type of things. But
yeah.
shit, damn,
They listen to the system.
Yeah.
Man.
They are enemy type of thing.
I didn't want to stop it, but I just... Because I know by the end of this, I'm going to forget everything I wanted to say. But, man... It took us long to...
Yeah.
I love this. The scenery, too.
Yeah, that's different, too.
It's not so much a distraction.
Yeah.
Because we can still hear him.
Yeah.
And go with that flow, you know, just the scenery in the background. I'm not sure whether, because we've not really been out of Auckland.
Yeah.
Loving this.
But this view, man, I feel like he's in America or something. I don't know what it is. It looks like somewhere where Ben Mika sort of films and stuff type of. Damn.
Canon Leota.
Canon Leota.
Oh,
okay, Peter Pedro.
Yeah, you got our attention.
I see you.
Wow.
See a brother come up for nothing, why people they fit? Your color, your skin, your culture. I fight for my rights till it's over. Stuck counting these bodies, I murder nobody and still don't give up like a soldier. They hate to see a brother winning. I hate to see my brother sinning. Know what I mean? Caught in a trap and the only way out is us killing the living. Children and women, they burning in fires. Two of my brothers like shoes on a wire. Send me your message and just no reply. Too many times we miss all the signs. Why am I wrong? Ay, tell me my brother don't feel under pressure. It's time to get it on. Ay, make a man cry, watch a man die. What is going on? Ay, make a sacrifice, my G's living right, giving my own clay. Slaving since I was a teen, follow no scene, going my own way. Been through a lot for that I love. I'm sick of the way that I'm living. My feelings is hurt, will I emerge for me to see a proper ending? I watch the world burn on mountaintops. The stories is what I be sipping. Forget what's behind, it's time to move on to a new beginning. Ay. A new beginning, a new beginning. A new beginning, I'm back in the ceiling. Can't cope with this feeling I'm feeling inside. Lost many brothers, hold on to my mother. Cause I know that I am just living to die. Cause I know that I am just living to die. Cause I know that I am just living to die. Cause I know that I am just living to die. Cause I know that I am just living to die. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't even know how to feel, what to think. I've never come across a song, you know, from our poly brothers and sisters like this. Like, damn.
It's not about the beef. It's not about suburb wars and codes and stuff like that. It's beyond that. It's bigger than that. Yeah.
Damn.
Ranuimarz in the house, alright.
Hard up. Damn. Okay.
I just love this. And it speaks volumes. You can put this on social media. Because a lot of people use social media for
And we get
attention. Like they're too scared to really voice their opinions and stuff like that.
And we also like we see things on social media and we easily believe it and stuff like that. And it's like, oh, okay, like, you know.
Especially what we're going through, like it just comes to show we're all one. The whole world is going through this pandemic, and
you know, other things.
We're not only fighting the pandemic, we're also fighting the government and the system. You know,
racism
just
and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like I liked how you were talking about the Treaty of Waitangi. You know, it's, of course you got to talk about, you know, New Zealand history if you're gonna talk about, you know, make a song like this and stuff like that. Oh yeah.
Well done.
Yeah. You
Someone
definitely
so
got
young,
your message across. Yeah.
Well done. Love it. Love what you're standing in for.
100%, man. And you know, with your it sounded like you were talking about your you know, personal battles and struggles as well, bro.
It always affects anyone and everyone who's going through it. It's struggles, everyday struggles, especially within our Pacific Island communities too. It's been happening for years. Like, you guys have not been through what my parents went through, those stages, but every generation
still,
is a struggle with our own.
Like how that caller's line that he was saying, you know, people are out there protesting but are still silent type of thing.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? I don't know if that's referring to, you know, people protesting, you know, about things because other people are doing it, but they're holding in their thoughts.
I'm thinking more about the support.
Yeah.
You know, not enough support out there. You were just sitting here and agreeing but not doing anything.
Just on social media, like, yeah, I'm here for you, yeah.
So again, it's just a handful out there while the rest of us are just sitting. Now check it out. I'm adding this to my work playlist. I need to listen to it again and again. I love the vibe it came across, you know, on the beat. Just
and the visuals as well, awesome. I've never seen much visuals like that. Yeah, you know, just showing the beauty of you know, the land of the Langai cloud.
Yeah, it's streaming. It's on all platforms, please, fams. Please check it out and support our poly artists, up and coming and new. Support and let's get them recognised, please.
So what do you rate a movie?
I give it a 10. Realistic.
I think I give it an 8, just, you know, because I didn't get too much and stuff like that. I still need to listen to it, but it doesn't mean that it's not a good check. Check it out. Subscribe to Ranuimarz or Razera on YouTube. Yeah, and check out his socials as well. We have in the description box below. You want to say something else?
I was just going to beat the visuals,
what
he was rapping about.
Everything's awesome, man.
It just leaves you now. I'm just sitting here going, wow.
Yeah.
From someone as young as I'm. Gotta stop.
But yeah, fams, other than that, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video.